Class 9, today I am going to start variation chapter. Okay. So what is variation? Variation is a relationship between two variables or more than two variables. Suppose that you have x and y as a variable. It means that when x will increase, maybe y decrease, or maybe y will increase also. Okay. So this type of things are known as a variation. Okay. One by one I am telling you there are three types of variation: direct or direct variation, indirect variation, joint variation. Okay. Now what is direct variation? X directly proportional to y. X varies with y. It means this sign. This sign name is variation sign. Okay. And how we will read this one? This sign, variation sign. And how we will read this one? X varies with y. It means that when x will increase, y will also increase. Okay. Example: distance varies with time. Suppose that you are going Dharamtala to Sialda in 15 minutes. But if you want to go to Raja Bazaar from same place, Dharamtala, so maybe it will take 25 minutes. Means when you are increasing the distance, time is also increasing. It means that relation between distance and time is direct or direct relation. Okay, that is why it is known as a direct variation. Okay, now to eliminate this variation sign, we give one constant and equals to. Means see this one, I am removing this variation sign and giving equals to one k sign. Okay, whenever I want to remove this variation sign, I will give one k. You can take any other alphabets also, A, B, C, D, but first time take k because in your syllabus they are saying that variation constant must be k first time. Okay, second time you can take after k what it will come in alphabet. M, N, O, like this you can take if you have to take more than one variables. Okay. Now see this one. I am removing this variation sign and giving equals to 1k. Okay. So whenever you will remove this variation sign, you have to give equals to 1k, and this k is known as a variation constant. Please write all this in your maths copy. K equals to variation constant. Okay, so this is the example. Now in direct or indirect variation, x varies with y. X indirectly or inverse, other name is also inverse variation. Okay, inverse variation. Okay, so inverse variation are those variation in which if one variable will increase, second one will decrease, not increase, second one will decrease. Suppose that speed and time distance, I am giving one example, speed and time. Now suppose when you are using your vehicle, any vehicle, okay, when you will increase the speed, time will decrease. Okay, so the relation between speed and time will be in direct variation. Again, if you want to remove this variation sign, what you will do? Equals to sign and 1k by y. Okay, and this k is nothing but variation constant, and its other name is also constant of proportionality constant. But you learn only one, and in each and every question when you will give in your board, when you will write this one, when you will attempt this one, please write k equals to variation constant. Okay, otherwise marks will deduct from there. Okay, understood? Now joint variation. Joint variation is the combination between three variables x, y and z. Okay, maybe it can be like this also. Okay, don't think that one relation will be direct and other relation will be indirect. No, both the relation may be direct. Okay, both are same. Okay, joint variation means x will be common. Suppose I have given example already. If farmers increase, bigha can increase by, because if farmer will increase, they can do lots of work. Okay, but if farmer will increase, days will decrease. Okay, it means that farmer is common for both bigha and days, bighas and days. Okay, I have taken three variables here, x, y, z. If x will increase, y will increase. If x will increase, y will decrease. Or you can say that if x will increase, y will also increase, x will increase, z will also increase. We will do the sums related to this one also, then you will understand it properly. Again same thing, if you want to remove this one variation sign, you will give 1k y by z. Okay, and this k is variation constant of proportionality, or you can say proportionality of constant, same thing. Okay, so please write all these three types in the math exercise copy. Quickly write it. Now class 10, see this one. I am writing some portion. Please understand direct and indirect relation properly. Okay, it is important for you. One question will come and question will be easy. You can attempt it easily and you will get 3 marks. Okay. So now, if I want to take this y this side, what will happen? It will become x by y equals to k. Means if they will ask you whether the given data are direct relation or indirect relation, which type of relations are there in between variables, then what you will do, you will find x by y, okay, or if you will see this one, this y will come in this side and it will become xy equals to k, means constant variation, constant value you will get, okay, in each one. But in direct variation you have to divide x and y, these two variables you have to divide, and in indirect variation you have to multiply. One and two question I will do, okay, from your exercise, then you will understand. Okay. Now come to your book, page number 195. Okay, page 195. Question number 1. Please all of you open your book, page number 195, and read the first question. Okay, what is the first? Let us work out 13. Corresponding values of two variables a and b are. So corresponding values of a and b are given to you in your sums. Okay, so what is the corresponding value of a and b? First I will write that table which is given to you. A and B. Quickly we will write 25, 10, 25, 10. Then it is 30, 12, 30, 12. Then 45, 18, 45, 18, then 18, then 250 by 100. Okay, A, B value are given, and they are asking if there is any relation of variation between A and B. Let us determine it and write the value of variation constant. Variation constant means they are asking K value also, as well as they are asking whether it is direct relation or indirect relation. We will not go to joint variation. Why? Because in joint variation we must have 3 variables. But in this question we have only 2 variables, A and B. Okay. So we will concentrate in direct and indirect variation. Okay. Now see, first what I told you, when it is direct, it must be like this. X by y equals to k. This is direct variation. And if it is indirect, it will be like this. Indirect variation will be xy equals to k. Okay. First I am using this one to find the value of k. Okay. In our case, x is a, y is b. Means a by b. Now a value is 25, b value is 10, a value is 30, b value is 12. After that, a value is 45, b value is 18, a value is 250, and b value is 100. Now you will cancel up and down. Okay, this one 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so you are getting 5 by 2 in this one. Okay, now this one 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 15s are 3 stable, 3 2s are 3 5s are. Again 5 by 2 you are getting. Now you will cancel this one. 3 stable, 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3, 1 will come 15, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 stable, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So again you are getting 5 by 2. Now this one first you will cancel 0 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Mean in each and every case you are getting 5 by 2. What you are getting? 5 by 2. It means that A by B equals to how much? 5 by 2. Now you can say x by y equals to k. Both are same. See x a, y b. In k place it is 5 by 2. means variation constant in your question, your given question, variation constant value is how much? 5/2. Okay. Now they are asking relation also between A and B. So what will be the relation between A and B? Relation between A and B. Now what you will do? You will take this B this side. So it will become A equals to 5/2 B. Now you will remove this part. When you will remove this equals to a constant part, what you will put? Varies sign, means A varies with B. So which relation we are getting? Direct relation means if A will increase, B will also increase. So you will write variation constant value is 5/2 and there is a direct relation between A and B. When A will increase, B will also increase. When A will decrease, B will also decrease. Okay, understood? So please copy this one quickly in your maths. Pause the video and please copy this one quickly. Now come to question number 2. In 2 they are asking corresponding values of two variables x and y is this much. It is given also same thing. Table is given to you x and y in terms of x and y it is given. Okay, not in terms of A and B. So it is given in terms of x and y. xy, then it is 18, 3, 8, 27 by 4, 12, 9 by 2, 6, 9. Okay. Now you have to see whether it is direct or indirect relationship. In direct, what we will do? X by y we will find, and in indirect, what we will do? X into y we will find. Now I am doing first direct, whether I am getting or not. We have to understand whether it is direct or indirect. Okay. If you can do orally, it's very good. One time you can get. But if you will not, you have to try both and you must get k value same. In the last question, we get k value same 5/2 in each and every term. So, okay, I am doing first direct one, x by y. It will become 18/3. Cut this one, 3 ones are 3, 6 8. Okay. Then I am doing this one, 8/27/4. When we will solve this one, how much it will become? 8 into 4/27. You will not be able to cancel anything. Means here you are getting k value 6, but here you are not getting k value 6. It means that it is not direct relationship. So which relationship it is? It is indirect. But you have to show this one. Why it is indirect relationship? Okay. No need to write this one. I am doing this one only to understand you why it is not direct relationship. Okay. Now I am doing indirect one. What is the condition of indirect one? X y equals to k, means multiplication between x and y. 18 into 3 equals to, okay, first write x y equals to 18 value, x value is 18, y value is 3, I have written. Then x value is 80, y value is 27/4. Then x value is 12, y value is 9/2. Then x value is 6, y value is 9. Now 18 into 3, you will get how much? 54. Now cancel this one, 4 ones are 4 twos are 2, 27 are 54. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 into 9, 54, 6 into 9 again 54. Means when we are solving x into y, we are getting same k value. If we are getting same k value, what we will write? xy equals to 54. In this one, they are not asking what is the value of variation constant. They are only asking what is the relationship between x and y. So they will not write variation constant value is 54. What we will do? First, we will take this y down. Okay. Then we will remove this equals to sign and this 54 full sign. So it will become x inversely proportional to 1/y. So in answer statement, please write answer in a statement that x varies directly with y. Means when x will increase, y will decrease. When y will increase, x will decrease. Write all the answer in a statement. Okay. Please copy this one. class 3-1 question, page number 196. Question is, a taxi of Bipin uncle travels 14 km per in 25 minutes. So Bipin uncle can travel 14 km in 25 minutes. So time and distance is given to you. Let us calculate by applying theory of variation how much path he will go in 5 hours by driving with taxi with same speed. Same speed means same will remain constant. Okay, so we will not see speed. What we will see, distance and time. Okay, so what I will write first. First we have to write, let the distance be x kilometer and time be y kilometer. Sorry, y minutes. Okay. Now you have to understand what is the relation between distance and time. As we know, when you will increase the distance, time will also increase. Okay. So means the relationship between distance and time is direct relationship. So write x equals to x varies with y. Why? Because in the distance if distance increase time increase, if distance decrease time decrease. Okay, give the reason. Okay, why you are saying that x varies with y means direct relationship. Okay, now you will remove this varies sign. You will give one equals to sign and one k equal y, and what is the value of k? K equals to variation constant. Write all this class time. Okay, otherwise you will not get full mark in your board exam. Okay, completed. Now what is given to you, you will read the question again. A taxi of Bipin uncle travels 14 km per in 25 minutes. Means distance and time both are given to you. Okay, so I am doing here distance. We have taken x, so x is given how much? 14 km, and time we have taken y. Y is given how much? 25 minutes. Now you know the relationship. What is the relation? You will write x equals to ky. In place of x you will put 14. In place of y you will put 25. 14 by 25 equals to k. Means from first information you can get k value. K value is 14 by 25. Okay. Now after that, please copy this one first. Okay. I am going to drop this one. After that, what is given to you? It is given 5 hours. Means y is given. Now y is given 5 hours. Hours means it is in minutes, but it is in hours. You have to convert this into minutes. Means you have to multiply by 60. How much you will get? 5 0 is 0, 5 6 is 30, 300 minutes. Okay. What is the relationship? X equals to ky. Now x value you don't know, k value you know. K value is 14 by 25. 14 by 25. And y value you are getting 300. It is also already given. Just we are converting into minutes because in this one it is in minutes. That is why we are converting. 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 0, 5 is 5, 5 1 is 5 2 is 10, 14 into 18 means how much you will get? 168 kilometers. So what you will write? That Bipin uncle can travel 168 kilometers in 5 hours. Okay, please write answer in your statement. You know I said in the class also. Okay, please copy this one. Now class 10, read question number 3-2. Okay, what is the question? Please sit with your book, otherwise you will not get anything. A box children of class 1 of our school, they will get 5 sweet each. Means two things are given. Number of children is 24 and each will get 25 sweets. Okay, number of children is 24, each will get 5 sweets. Okay, means two things are given, children and sweet. So what you will do first, you have to let number of children be x number and number of sweets each will get b. Why? Okay. Now after that, what you have to do? You have to find the relationship between children and sweet. Okay. If suppose that you have 5 children at your home, if you have 10 chocolates, each will get 2 chocolates. But if number of children will increase, maybe there is a 10 number of children. Okay, so and you have only 10 sweets only. What will happen? Each one will get only 1. Okay, means if number of children will increase, sweet will decrease. So relationship between x and y is indirect relationship. Okay, you have to write here. Okay, why it is indirect? What you will write? If x will increase, y will decrease, and if x will decrease, y will increase. Please write this one. X will increase, y will decrease. X will decrease, y will increase. Okay, or you can write, if number of children will decrease, number of sweets will increase or decrease according to that. Okay, now after that, what you will do? X equals to k by y, and k is what? Variation constant. Please write this one. K equals to variation constant. Okay, now given, what is given to you? X is given, how many children? 24, and y is given, each one will get 5 sweets. Okay, now write this one. X equals to k by y. X value is 24, k, y value is 5. Take this one this side. If you want to multiply 5 4s are 20, 0, 2, 5 4s are 10, 120. This k value you are getting 120. Okay, please copy all this in your maths copy. I am not in this part. Now read the second part of this question. Let us calculate by applying theory of variation how many sweets would each get if the number of children is reduced by 4. Means first time it was 24, now children is reducing by 4. It means what you will write? Okay, by 4, therefore number of children. Now what is the number of children? First it was 24, now it is reduced by 4, it means 20. Now number of children is 20. Okay, you know what is the relation between children and sweet, you will write that one. X value, it is given, of course, because number of children is nothing but x. 20 is given to you. K value, you know what is the value of k? 120. So you will write 120 by y. Okay. Now y will come here and this one will go down. 120 by 20. 2 1s are 2 6s are 12. So y value you are getting 6. Means what we will write as an answer, that each children will get 6 sweet. Okay, completed. Copy this one. 4 1. Y varies directly with square root of x. Y, okay, y varies directly with square root of x. Again, y varies directly with square root of x. Okay. Now, first of all, right sign we have to remove. So we will take 1k and we will write this, and we will write what is k. K is what? Variation constant. Please write it. Now, given, what is given to you? When y equals to 9, x is also 9. When y 9, x is also 9. Now put it here. Y value is 9, k root x value is 9. First write y equals to k root x. It will be easy for you to understand. Y equals to 9, k then root x. X value is 9. Now what is the value of root 9? Root 9 value is 3. 9 by 3 equals to k. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Means k value you are getting how much? 3. Okay. Now what they are saying? Let us find the value of x when y equals to 6. Now what they are saying? When y equals to 6. Again, what is the relationship? Y equals to k root x. Y value is given how much? 6. K value you got 3. 3 root x. Now 6, this 3 will come down. How much? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Means root x value you are getting 2. But we need only x value, not root x value. So what we will do? Squaring both sides. When we will do squaring both sides, it will come like this. Root and square will cancel, you will get only x, and 2 square will be 4. So x value you will get 4. Copy this one. After doing this one, come to 4 2. Okay, 4 2. Now what is the question? X varies directly with y. First one is x varies directly with y. Okay, done. After that, they are saying and inversely with z. Means x also inversely with z. Means first x varies with y, then x is also varies inversely with z. Now you can see there is 3 variable. Means joint variation. Okay. At that time, what you can say that this one is too common in both. So what you will do? You will write one time. You will give inverse sign. Y it is up, so y up, and z down, z down. This is the relationship. Now x equals to k, y, z. Okay. Means k, you have to write what is k. K is what? Variation constant. Please write. In each and every question I am not writing. Please write quickly. Now what they are saying, read the question. When y equals to 4, z equals to 5, then x equals to 3. When y equals to 4, x equals to 5, sorry, z equals to 5, then x equals to 3. Okay, now you will write this one. X equals to k, y, z. X value is how much? 3, k, y value is 4, z value is 5. Now cross multiplication, 5 3s are 15, this 4 will come down, means k value you are getting 15 by 4. Okay. Now in the second part they are saying, again if y equals to 16, z equals to 30, let us calculate the value of x. If y equals to 16, if y equals to 16, z equals to 30, they are asking k value, x value. Now first again we will write this one, x equals to k, y, z. X value got from here, where? 15 by 4. So x you will write, k value is 15 by 4. K value got from here, no? 15 by 4. Y value is how much? 16. And z value is 30. Now cancel, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 15 ones are 15, 2s are 30, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Means x value got 2. Okay. So please copy this one. Copy this one quickly. Now class 10, read question number 5.1. If x varies with y, show that x plus y directly varies with x minus y. First, if it is given x varies with y, what you will do, you will remove this varies sign, you will give that k equals to sign also, and you will write what is ky. Okay. Now x by y, I am taking this y this side equals to c k. Now you can see here you have plus and here you have minus. So what I will do, I will apply componendo and dividendo. Applying or using componendo and dividendo. Now when you will apply componendo, you have done ratio and proportion. I think you remember that one. In componendo, what you will do? You will add up and down. And in dividendo, what you will do? You will subtract up and down. Same here, if nothing is there, it means 1. Add up and down. Add up and down and subtract up and down. Okay? Understood? Now after that, you are getting x plus y by x minus y. This pool is constant. Why this pool is constant? K to constant we have taken already. K equals to variation constant. 1 is also constant. Why? Because we can't say 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 3 is 4. It is possible. No. We can say that 1 is only 1 because so all the numbers are constant. So what we will write? X plus y by x minus y equals to k1 I am taking, and I am writing let k plus 1 by k minus 1 equals to k1, and k1 is also variation constant. Okay. Write this word variation constant. We can't take k again, okay, because k we have used already, so I have to take k1, variation constant. Okay. Now x plus y equals to k1 x minus y. I am taking this side, so it will come x plus y equals to k1 x minus 1. If I want to remove this equals to sign and this varies sign, this whole equals to sign, I'm sorry, this equals to sign and this constant term, what I will do? Varies sign, so x plus y varies with x minus y. Proved. Okay. Completed this one. Copy this one. Now class 10, question number 5. A varies indirectly with C and C varies indirectly with B. Okay. Show that. Estimate show that A varies directly with B. So what we will do, first we will remove this variation sign. We will give one K by C and we will write what is K. Okay. Please write variation constant. Again, in this part also we will remove the variation sign and we will give k1. Now we will not give k, we have used already k, okay? K by b. Now, can you see? C value is given k1 by b. So this c value I can put here. So what I am doing? K I am writing as it in place of c, I am putting k c value. K1 by b. K1 by b. Okay. Now what will happen? When you will multiply it, it will become b by k1. A k by k1 we can write because both are constant term. You have to write okay, k1 is variation constant. You have to write. Please write it. When you want to remove equals to and this constant term, what you will give? Inverse sign. So A varies with B. Proved. Okay. Please write this one. Complete this one. Now class 10, 5.4. Given if x varies directly with y, y varies directly with z and z varies directly with x, then what is the relation of variation? What is the relation among the constant of variation? Means if you will take one variation constant, what you will do? You will take ky. In this one, you will take y equals to k1z. And in this one you will take z equals to what? K2 x, and what you will write? K comma k1 comma k2 are variation constant. Okay. You will write this. Now can you see? They are asking relationship between k, k1 and k2. Okay. What relation they are asking? See the read the question again. If x varies with y, y varies directly with z, and z varies directly with x, let us find the relation among three constants of variation. Means variation constant. Now what you will do? You have to put the values one by one. Okay. So what is the value of z? K2x. You can put here y equals to, in place of z you can put K2x. Okay. Now again in place of y, what is the value of y? We got K1, K2, Kh. Means from here I am putting here, then from here I am putting here. So what is the value of y? K1, K2x. K1, K1, K2x. Now you can see from both sides we can cancel K. So K, K1, K2. What is the relation? 1. If there is nothing, since we are cancelling this multiplication, it means 1. Okay, so K, K1, K2 equals to constant. So what you will write? The relationship between constant term is 1. It means constant. 1 is also constant. Okay. Now your homework is 3. Question number 3. 4. Question number 3. 5. Question number 3. Okay. And 16 ABC. 16 ABC. Try to do. If you have any query, please submit your assignment by tomorrow only. Where you will submit your assignment? I am giving you one site, nilufar.sma@outlook.com. If any query, any doubts, anything, you can ask me in this one. Okay, please write this one. Okay, any query, any doubt, you can ask. You have to submit your assignment by tomorrow. If you will not understand any question, just you tell me in this one. Okay, I will do the doubt class. At that time, I will solve your doubts. Okay, so this is your homework. Please complete your homework also.